You can do it, but only with one Dare 1. As an example, we copy most of the New Zealand Wikipedia article. The layout in Wikipedia uses a lot of right-aligned resources, which change to left-align when you use Firefox. Chrome has problems with tables. The new Edge is flawless there, but both browsers fail to deliver all URLs. Fortunately, one Dare 1 can fix the errors of Chrome and Edge automatically. The One Dare 1 Tidy app can reduce the code from nearly 500 kilobytes to less than 300 kilobytes. One Dare 1 understands HTML, allowing you to edit the article without any coding. Example, change color with just a few clicks. The resulting page has the full Wikipedia functionality, unlike with any other editor.